Hi, good day, my friends. Welcome to my channel, the Daily ASMR. Hope you all are doing fine wherever you are. Today, I am planning to paint a tree with branches and lots of flowers. And you must be thinking, why every time I only draw nature? Because it is nature holds us together. Without nature, we are incomplete. I know in modern society we have technology, we have developed a lot of advanced technology, we are even planning to go to Mars. Everything is fine, but where we are staying, that's our Mother Earth. We are forgetting to take care of that. It is, as if sitting in my own house, I am not taking care of my house. Rather, I am concerned what is happening around us or what is happening to my neighborhoods. Exactly like that. I'm not telling going to Mars is wrong. Going to Mars is definitely another level of advancement of science. But what are we doing to our Mother Nature? Cutting trees, creating pollution. So those are the things hurts me. I wish I could have that much of power to turn the things. But I am just a normal human being like all of you. I can only feel sorry. I can only feel sad. Or at the most, I can do my part in a small tiny way. That's the least I can do. Even I know you are also having the same problem. Having said that, we often, as I told you, we often so preoccupied with our advanced technology, with our any kind of gadget. We forget the beauty of simplicity. We forget the beauty of nature. And that is the only reason, I guess, when there is a soothing sound of nature, when there is a soothing sound of voice, when there is a soothing something in a similar community, people love to hear. You know why? Not because of advanced technology, but because of maybe they don't even know the viewers or the listeners, but they get that inner satisfaction, they get that inner happiness. You know why? Because we cannot be separable from nature. We cannot separate ourselves from nature. We cannot separate ourselves from this environment. So that's why whenever there is a soothing beauty, soothing sound, calming effect, it touches our heart. Today I'm trying to make a branch, trying to paint a branch. Branch is like our life. It's holding a lot of colors, lot of shades of our everyday's obstacle or everyday's challenges. And these branches, if we think these branches are having lots of beautiful, bright, colorful flowers, so then the whole tree looks nice. Vision wise, also, it is very pleasing. The same way, if we are standing on this Mother Earth, then all our branches should be colorful, should be beautiful, should be positive. Then it will not only look nice, it will feel also good. I know it is nothing but a metaphor, but still, I try to take out any kind of meaning from my every painting, and those meaning mostly which I can relate to. And I always believe in philosophy, life, positivity. So from every painting, I try to find out those things, my friend. Because other than positive feelings, other than humility, we have nothing else in our life. We all are running like a hamster. We all are racing for some race which don't even know. It is as if we all are sitting in a conveyor belt to reach to our destination, and that's called final destination. That is death, right? So why not give a pause, look around, because if we look or if we don't look, we are going to die, if not today, after 50 years, after 100 years, but we have to. Then why we are running and losing small, tiny happiness, and why we are running so fast that we can't even see the beauty our mother nature has given to us. Trust me, happiness is this. We don't have to go to shopping mall, or we don't have to go to other country to buy happiness. Nowadays, because as we all are so busy, we think happiness can be bought at any reason or at any cost, which is not true. Happiness is something we have to find out within ourselves, my friend. I know I am talking a lot. Please pardon me if I am making you feel bored, but trust me, this is life. We all should have our positivity within ourselves, and the moment we'll find out our inner positivity, happiness will follow along with that. We don't have to depend on anybody to be happy. We have to be happy for ourselves. If the branch is our life, then the flower is our positive point. The flowers are our positive thoughts, our positive action. And that is the reason when there is colorful flowers, the tree looks beautiful. The same way, when there are a lot of positivity around us, our thinking are always directing to do something positive. Our life will look exactly as beautiful as this branch. And then whether the light, whether the birds, everybody will come. Enough talking, my friend. Let us go out and do some nature walk. What do you think? Love you all.